How to install apps from Chrome in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install apps from Google Chrome in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is, of course, head over to your settings. We will need to change some settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down and there you should find an option called screen time. Head over screen time, and again you will need to scroll down until you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then if it is turned off, turn that on, and after turning that on, head over to iTunes and Apple Store purchases, and right there you should find installing apps option. Head over there and tap on allow. Make sure it's always on allow, and after doing that you can head back. Now you can open up your Google Chrome, and after you've opened up your Google Chrome you can simply search for anything that you want to download. So I'll just tap on Snapchat here, and after searching for Snapchat, if you scroll down you'll find different links for download. So I'll just search for Snapchat download directly, and there you can see there is a download option. If I tap on it, Snapchat's logo will open up, which will directly take me to my app store, because it's not directly possible to download it from Google Chrome itself. So you can download it using your app store, but you can download it using your Google Chrome, but you will have to go through the Apple's interface, that is your app store's interface. So if I tap on download on app store, it will take me to my app store. So let me tap on always show, and it will show me this interface from where I can download it. And that is how you can install apps from Chrome in iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.